Let's begin our class. Chapter 4, Geometry 4.5.1, Constructions. Today we are going to construct a tangent to a circle. First of all, what is a tangent, ma? Do you remember? We have studied it last year. I'll give an example. You are rolling a football on a ground. In a ground, you are rolling a football. What happens? The football touches the surface of the ground at one point. It makes contact with the surface of the ground at one point. That point will be your contact point of the tangent to the circle, and your tangent will be the path it passed, the straight line that it passed on the ground. Okay, so we can imagine that the surface of the ground as your tangent and your football as your circle. Are you clear? And now, can you tell me how many tangents can be drawn in a circle with one point on the circumference? Only one tangent can be drawn. Clear? And how many tangents can be drawn to a circle on its circumference? N number of tangents can be drawn on the circumference of a circle. On the circumference of the circle, you are having so many points. That how do you construct a circle? Locus of points, isn't it? All the locus of points on the circumference can get a tangent. Okay, that's why we say n number of tangents can be drawn on the circumference of a circle, and to a particular point we can construct only one tangent. Clear, ma? Shall we pass on? Example 4.29. Draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Take a point P on this circle and draw a tangent at P. So here what is given? Radius is equal to 3 cm. Now you draw a rough diagram. Draw a circle with O as center. Draw the tangent, and the tangent makes point of contact of the tangent will be your P, and label the tangent as T dash. Okay. And now take 3 centimeter in your compass, draw a circle, and center you mark it as O. From the center you extend the line. And now see here that the radius meets the circumference at the point P. Now place your compass at P. With a random measurement, you cut an arc like this. And now don't change the measurement. Place your compass with the same measurement at this point and cut an arc above the previous arc, and name that point as M. And now place your compass at M. Once again, cut an arc on the previous arc with the same measurement. Don't change it off, and name it as N. So with the same measurement, place your compass at M, cut an arc above the previous one. Now place your compass at M, and then with the same measurement, place it off in N, cut an arc with the previous one. Now you join that point with P and you extend like this and name that line as T dash. And now you see your tangent is T dash. It touches the point P on the circle. It touches the circle on the point P. Clear? Take exercise number 4.4, sum number 12. Draw a tangent at any point R on the circle of radius 3.4 centimeter and center at P. So now draw the rough diagram. Draw a circle with radius 3.4 centimeter. The center is P, not O, and the point of contact of the tangent to the circle is R. And now name the tangent as T dash. Yes, now construct it off. Measure 3.4 centimeter in your compass. Draw a circle and the center one, name it as P. Now from the center, draw a radius and extend it. And the point of contact of the radius and the circle is R. Mark it as R. Place your compass at R. At any random measurement, cut an arc that touches the radius with the same measurement. Please don't change the measurement, ma. Here the random measurement which you are taking till we finish the same measurement. Okay. So now place it off on this point and cut an arc with the previous one. Name it as M. From M with the same measurement, cut an arc and name it as N, and from M with the same measurement you cut an arc above the previous arc, and then with N you cut an arc. Now join this point with R. Draw like this, extend it, name it as T, and now T dash is your tangent passing through the point R on the circumference of the circle. Clear, girls? Hope you have understood it. Next, we'll construct a tangent to a circle using alternate segment theorem. Just the statement alone will explain, ma. If a line touches a circle and from the point of contact a chord is drawn, the angles between the tangent and the chord are respectively equal to the angles in the corresponding alternate segment. A circle is there, and now draw a chord, and now this chord gets in contact with 2 points on the circumference, isn't it? You consider one point and draw a tangent to that point. So here this point, you make it as P. This P is the point of contact of the circle and the tangent. Okay, so and now you see the angle formed between the chord and the tangent will be equal to the angle formed on the alternate segments. Okay. And now using this P and Q, we can draw segments on both sides of the line P and Q. And now make it as a point S. And now if I consider the angle this side, that is angle between the chord and the tangent, this angle is equal to angle PB will be equal to PSQ. If you join the points on the other side, you'll get like this. APQ is equal to angle PTQ. Take example 4.30. Draw a circle of radius 4 cm. At a point L on it, draw a tangent to the circle using the alternate segment. Now what is given? Radius 4 centimeter is given. And what is your L? L is the point of contact of the tangent to the circle. Now draw the rough diagram. Draw a circle, and now the center is O. Mark it as O. Draw a tangent, and the point of contact as L, and the tangent as TT dash. And from the point of contact L, you draw a chord. Mark as M. Now you draw the segments from L and M. Mark the point as N. Now we'll construct. Take your compass. Take 4 centimeter in your compass. Draw a circle. Name the center O. Now draw a chord L, M. Now draw the segments from L and M and let it join at N on the circumference of the circle. Now take your compass. Place it at N. Cut an arc at any random measurement. Now take your compass, move it to the point L. Place it at L and cut an arc. Begin the arc from LM on the outside of the triangle. Okay. Now you measure the length of the arc in the angle N. Bring the compass and place it on the line LM where you have drawn the arc. Previously you have drawn one arc, isn't it? There you place your compass and cut an arc with the previous arc to the previous arc. Now you'll get the point of intersection of those two arcs. Join that point with L and extend the line. Put arrow mark on both sides. Write T, T dash. Now your tangent is T, T dash. Only after the construction is over, you have to draw the radius O, L and write it as 4 centimeter. Keep in mind, girls, don't mark the radius immediately after you draw the circle. Only at the end you have to draw the radius. Clear, ma? Yes. In exercise, take 13th sum. Draw a circle of radius 4.5 centimeter. Take a point on the circle. Draw the tangent at the point using the alternate segment theorem. Draw the rough diagram. Draw a circle. As I said, you draw the triangle inside the circle such that the vertices touches the circle. Name it as LMN. Now draw a tangent at the point L. Name it as T dash. And now draw the radius OL. What is your radius? 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Now we'll do the construction part. Draw a circle with radius 4.5 centimeter. Name the center as O. Now draw a chord LM. Draw a segment through L and M such that it meets the point N on the circle. Place your compass at N. At random measurement, cut an arc. With the same measurement, come to L. Place your compass at L. Cut an arc. Begin your arc from LM. From the chord LM. Keep in mind, ma. Begin your arc from the line LM. That is your chord. Okay. And now measure the angle N and place your compass on the chord LM where you have beginned your previous arc. Now cut an arc. That arc cuts your previous arc. So you'll get a point of intersection there. And now you join that point and your L. Extend it. Put arrows on both sides. Name it as T dash. And now your T dash is the tangent that passes through the point L. Now draw the radius OL and write it off. What is your radius? 4.5 centimeters, isn't it? So write it off 4.5 centimeter. Clear, ma? That's all.